Artificial intelligence is transforming our world, and while specialized tools like OpenAI's GPT, Google's Bard, and MidJourney are groundbreaking, they often operate in silos. Imagine if you could access all these models in one seamless platform, creating a unified experience that maximizes their potential. That's what this revolutionary platform, AI Unified Hub, offers. The ability to access, combine, and optimize the best AI models available, all in one place. Whether you're a student needing research assistance, a business professional optimizing workflows, or a creative artist blending text and visuals, this platform adapts to your needs. It's not just about combining technologies. It's about unleashing AI's full potential for everyone. Let's dive deep into how this game-changing tool works. What is this revolutionary AI? This platform is designed as a universal access point for AI models, aggregating their capabilities into one seamless tool. Integration at its best, it doesn't just switch between models, but combines their unique strengths. For instance, you can generate a report with GPT-4 and refine it using Claude's summarization skills. Designed for versatility, whether you're a content creator, programmer, student, or entrepreneur, the platform adjusts to your unique requirements. Comprehensive reach. It connects not just to popular models like GPT-4 and DAL*E, but also specialized ones for specific domains like code generation, GitHub Copilot, or scientific research, DeepMind's AlphaFold. Imagine a universal remote for AI, but instead of controlling devices, it controls limitless AI possibilities. How does it work? The secret lies in API integration, which allows this platform to connect and communicate with multiple AI systems. Here's the breakdown. Query routing. When you input a task, the platform automatically determines which AI model is most suitable. For instance, a visual content request would be routed to MidJourney, while a text-based query could go to GPT-4. Dynamic task delegation. It can divide tasks between models. For example, if you're designing a website, it might use one model for coding, another for design concepts, and yet another for content generation. Real-time optimization. The system learns from user feedback to improve its routing and results, ensuring better outputs over time. This automation ensures that even non-technical users can enjoy the power of cutting-edge AI. Multi-model collaboration. The ultimate feature. One of the standout features is the ability to collaborate across models. Cross-model creativity. Let's say you're writing a book. Use GPT-4 for the narrative. Ask Claude to fact-check historical details, and rely on DALL*E for cover art. Enhanced problem-solving. Imagine using DeepMind's AlphaCode for developing software while GPT-4 helps you explain the code in simple terms. Tailored workflows. The platform allows you to create workflows where multiple models interact automatically, saving time and reducing errors. By combining the strengths of different models, the possibilities become limitless. A game changer for professionals. This platform isn't just for AI enthusiasts. It's a powerful tool for professionals across industries. Marketing teams. Use GPT-4 to draft ad copy, MidJourney to create visuals, and an analytics AI model to predict campaign performance. Healthcare. Doctors can combine diagnostic models with research-focused AI to get real-time, evidence-based treatment recommendations. Legal and finance. Lawyers can analyze contracts with one model and generate summaries with another, while accountants can automate tax compliance and reporting tasks. Educational applications. Teachers and students can benefit too. Educators might use AI to create lesson plans, generate quizzes, and adapt materials to different learning styles. Students could combine language models for essays, scientific tools for experiments, and art generators for creative projects. This platform's ability to streamline workflows makes it indispensable for businesses, educational institutions, and individuals alike. Unified billing. Simplifying costs. One of the biggest hurdles with using multiple AI models is managing subscriptions. Centralized billing. Instead of paying for individual services like GPT-4, MidJourney, or Claude, this platform consolidates payments into one affordable plan. Tiered pricing models. Users can choose plans based on their needs, ranging from basic access to advanced enterprise-level solutions. Cost savings. By bundling services, users save significantly compared to purchasing each model individually. For freelancers and startups, this reduces entry barriers, allowing small-scale users to access high-end AI without breaking the bank. Cross-platform availability. Use it anywhere. Accessibility is another highlight. Web access. Use the platform on your desktop browser for full functionality. Mobile app. On-the-go productivity. Whether it's generating ideas during commutes or solving quick problems. Cloud storage integration. Save and access your projects from anywhere, ensuring seamless transitions between devices. Offline mode. Some functionalities, like document reviews or small edits, may even work offline, syncing once connected. This ensures that users can work anytime, anywhere, without interruptions. AI recommendations. Picking the best model for the task. The platform doesn't just aggregate AI tools, it also helps you pick the best one for your needs. Contextual awareness. Based on your input, the platform can recommend specific models. For example, it might suggest Bard for quick information retrieval and GPT-4 for creative writing. Efficiency boost. By using the most suitable model for each task, users save time and receive better results. Custom recommendations. Over time, it learns user preferences, tailoring recommendations for an even more personalized experience. Beginners can now focus on their tasks instead of figuring out which AI tool to use, making it accessible for all skill levels. Addressing privacy concerns. One of the primary concerns with AI adoption is data privacy. End-to-end encryption. All queries and outputs are securely encrypted, ensuring user data remains confidential. Data isolation. Your data isn't shared across models unless explicitly permitted, addressing concerns about cross-platform leaks. Customizable privacy settings. Users can adjust how their data is stored, shared, or deleted. With privacy built into its core, this platform ensures trust in an era where data security is paramount. Potential challenges and limitations. While the concept is revolutionary, there are hurdles to address. Technical barriers. Seamless integration of diverse models requires robust API frameworks, which may encounter compatibility issues. Latency issues. Connecting to multiple models in real time could lead to slight delays, especially for complex tasks. Corporate restrictions. Companies like OpenAI or Google may limit how their APIs are accessed, potentially restricting functionality. The platform's developers are actively working on solutions like edge computing to reduce latency and enhance performance. The future of AI integration. This platform isn't just a tool, it's a glimpse into the future of AI. Universal AI assistance. Imagine a day when this platform evolves into a personal AI assistant, capable of anticipating your needs and proactively solving problems. AI as a utility. Much like electricity or the internet, AI access could become a ubiquitous service, with platforms like this leading the way. Continual evolution. As new AI models emerge, they'll be integrated into the platform, ensuring users always have access to cutting-edge technology. By seamlessly connecting innovations, the AI Unified Hub sets a new benchmark for technological advancement. This new AI platform is more than just a tool. It's a revolution in how we interact with artificial intelligence. With its ability to unify, optimize, and customize the capabilities of multiple AI models, it's poised to change the game. Whether you're curious about its potential or already envisioning how it could transform your daily life, this innovation is here to redefine the AI landscape. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.